This is going to be a contest between Kung Fu and Karate. Now, Vince here is a world champion. So I'm going to have to ask him not to be so tough on me. Slower this. How about this, Vince? I tell you what, so you can show your boys how to block it. You ready?
Okay.